Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Today I'm excited to try out this product because it sounds interesting and intriguing. It's from the brand COL-LAB and it's Matte Spark Cream Lip Color. So it's a matte cream sparkly lip product, basically. Like, it looks like a lip gloss. It looks so pretty. That's why I picked it up at Sally Beauty Supply. But then the fact that this is a cream and a matte has me a little confused but intrigued. I picked this up in the shade About last night, and this cost $11.29, I believe is what I paid for it, which I think is pricey. Some of the products that I picked up at Sally Beauty Supply were surprisingly expensive. I think COL-LAB was one of the more expensive brands, and I was so excited to go to Sally Beauty Supply and do a makeup haul, but I really barely found much to pick up, so I didn't even show my haul here on YouTube because it was just like a few products. And the products that I have tried out so far have not really been impressing me, but hey, maybe this product will turn it all around and just be super impressive. That's what I'm hoping for. So like, I don't even know what this is going to look like. If there's an applicator, if it's a squeezy tube. Oh, okay. It does have this interesting looking applicator, actually. It's like not quite a doe foot or a paddle applicator, but it's kind of big. It's at an angle. This does have a bit of a smell to it. Almost like a cherry medicine type smell. Like, not great, but it's also not super potent. And so let's do a swatch and see how it looks. Ooh, it does have a nice kind of silky feel to it and a really pretty look. I love this color. It's a little bit brighter pink in the swatch than how it looks in the packaging. And it does have this really pretty metallic shine finish. So here's that swatch. I'm so excited to see how this will look on my lips. And my lips are a bit dry, so I'm hoping that this will be moisturizing to my lips as well. Wow, that does have very beautiful opaque color, which I wasn't really expecting. I was expecting it to be more of like a sheer, almost like a lip gloss type of product, but that looks beautiful. And it is looking smooth and even over the dry patches on my lips. But let's see as I continue applying it. Okay, this looks beautiful. And the texture is really nice too. It's like a thin, creamy, yeah, not even lip gloss, like a creamy liquid lip. And oh my gosh, like this color, I love it. So flattering and a very like perfect like day to night type of shade. Very versatile. And then that shiny, it's like a pink like metallic finish on it, which is so pretty. I love the look of this. And then it's Matte Spark Cream Lip Color. It does have like, maybe it's slightly dried down to a matte, but it's very comfortable. It doesn't feel like a drying matte at all. Let's see if it smudges. Yeah, there's a bit of smudging, unfortunately. I wish it was the type of matte that dried down and doesn't budge, but it's like a little bit too creamy where it's still gonna smudge and transfer. Let's do a kiss test and see how much transfer. I mean, that's not too bad. That's kind of minimal transfer for a creamy lip product. I just love this color, this finish. That transfer did make it fade a little bit, and even less transfer there. Maybe it is the type where you can kind of blot, but it does tone it down, but it's more long lasting than I was expecting. And it is an easy product to touch up. But wow, yeah, I was hoping that I would really like this and it would change my opinion on Sally Beauty Supply makeup, and I really think it did. This is such a great lip product, and it is unique, yet very easy to wear. And I feel like it's the perfect amount of like metallic, sparkle, glam, that it can still be worn casually, daytime, but it also is still a perfect, more glam nighttime lip. So I'm really excited to have this in my collection. I think it will go with so many different looks that I create. So if you've tried this out, let me know what you think of it. Let me know what kind of looks you've done with this. And as always, thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.